So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem which says Windows was unable to complete the format. This usually occurs when you're formatting your USB or flash drive and it has some corrupted data or malware. So in order to do this, what we can do is close everything and then open start menu and search for CMD. Open CMD and as administrator and then type disk part and hit enter. Now what you have to do is type list disk and hit enter. Now you have to check which disk is your USB. Simply just check your USB flash drive size. For my case, I have 30 GB connected, so this will show 29 GB for me. So this means disk 1 is my USB drive. Now I have to type select disk 1 and now it will say disk 1 is now selected. Now you have to type attributes disk clear read only and now type clean and hit enter. Once you do this, type create partition primary and hit enter again, and once this completes you have to type format fs equals to ntfs or fat32 if you prefer that and space quick and hit enter. Once this formation completes, your USB drive will work as brand new. So hopefully your problem fixes, and if your problem still occurs, make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. That's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.